Welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to enable automatic updates for the Discord app on your Android device. Follow these simple instructions to ensure that Discord updates automatically. Step 1. To begin, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, navigate to Settings. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, locate and tap on Network Preferences. Step 5. Look for the option that says Auto Update Apps and select it. You can then choose your preferred update setting, such as updating apps over Wi-Fi only or allowing updates on mobile data as well. By following these steps, you can set up automatic updates for the Discord app on your Android device, ensuring that you always have the latest version of the app without manual intervention. Enabling automatic updates can save you time and ensure that you benefit from the latest features and improvements in Discord. Having Discord update automatically can be convenient as it keeps the app up to date with the latest bug fixes, security patches, and enhancements. This way, you can enjoy a seamless and optimized experience while using the Discord app on your device. We hope this tutorial helps you in enabling automatic updates for the Discord app on your Android device. Thank you for watching.